Hey everyone, BobMangino here. If you're buying a condo in Florida, listen up. Do you know the condo docs you should review before signing a sales contract? The latest one that sellers need to provide buyers before or at the time of signing a contract is the new flood disclosure form. Let's review slides on the new Florida state law that requires sellers to provide buyers a signed flood disclosure form concerning their property before or at the time of signing a sales contract. This is a new flood disclosure form that sellers are required starting October 1st, 2025 to provide to buyers prior to the buyer signing the contract. The form has the seller's name, has the property's address, and as far as flood disclosures, the seller will be stating whether or not they have any knowledge of flooding, which includes the common area. Seller has not filed for any insurance claims, and the seller has not received any assistance for flooding. Also, it states what exactly the flooding refers to. It refers to the overflow of inland or tidal waters, unusual or rapidly accumulated runoff or surface waters from any established water source such as rivers, streams, and also any sustained periods of standing water resulting from rainfall. And we can see where the seller will sign this and also indicate when this copy was sent to the buyer. In conclusion, we reviewed the new Florida flood disclosure form, which sellers are required by state law to sign and present to buyers before or at the time of signing a sales contract. Flood disclosures let the condo buyer know if the condo or the condo's common areas were ever flooded from external events. This is just another document that Florida condo buyers should review before signing a sales contract. Other documents are the seller's property disclosure, condo docs, declaration of condominium, articles of incorporation, bylaws, rules and regulations, frequently asked questions, annual financial statement, condominium governance form, milestone inspections, and structural integrity reserve study. If you have any questions about how to buy or sell a condo in Naples, Florida, I would be happy to answer them for you. My contact information is in the video description below. You do not have to use my services to have your questions answered. I am always happy to talk to you and answer any questions that you might have. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click the video above.